of constantly switching between your browser and phone just to check your messages on Ubuntu? Well, this short video will show you how to seamlessly integrate your favorite messaging apps like Facebook Messenger directly into your Ubuntu desktop in under 90 seconds. First, let's explore installing Messenger as a progressive web app, or PWA, through your browser. Open Firefox or Chrome and navigate to the Messenger website. Look for an install icon in the address bar. It usually looks like a plus sign in a box or an install button. Click it. This will create a standalone application on your desktop. Confirm the installation. When prompted, this will usually open a new window which you can pin to your dash. See, Messenger now runs as its own application, separate from the browser, keeping your chat windows tidy and easily accessible. Next, let's explore using a multi-messaging app. Consider an all-in-one solution like Friends or Rainbox. If you use multiple messaging platforms, you can usually find these in the Ubuntu Software Center or download directly from their webpage. Once installed, simply add your Messenger account and any other services you use following the on-screen instructions. Finally, for some alternatives, if you're seeking a wider experience, consider standalone apps for services like Signal and Telegram, also available in the Ubuntu store. And that's it. You now have multiple options for staying connected with Messenger and other platforms on your Ubuntu desktop. Enjoy hassle-free messaging.